geniuses, how are you all? Hope you are very fine, and now it's time to study about super senses. It's our block 4 of unit 2, and this is the part 4 of our block 4. So in this session, our aim, we will be able to explain how super sense of touch and taste helps animal to survive in their habitat, in their surrounding, how they survive with the help of super sense of touch and taste. So as we know that there are 5 senses, 5 sense organs in our body. They are eyes, ear, tongue, nose and skin. These all are having receptors. Those are very helpful for us to receive signals from the outside. They can receive stimulus, change in environment. So this is a picture of crocodile. So what do you think? What super sense do crocodile have? And although the crocodile looks to have a hard, tough, pricky skin, the skin is extremely sensitive, which helps it to detect even the slightest movement in water. It's amazing thing that it can receive signals. It has receptors in its body, in its lower jaw, so it can receive signals from outside or even slightest movement it can receive. So why do a crocodile or other animals need the super sense of touch? How can snakes dance when they can't hear the sound made by snake charmer? What helps cat to feel movement far away? Yes, these questions arises in our mind. So snakes have a super sense of touch. With their skin, they can feel the vibrations through the ground. These all are super sense, so they can feel their vibrations with the help of their skin, with the help of their receptors. So these receptors help them to detect even slightest movement also in the environment. The whiskers of cats are very sensitive. They can detect slightest movement and vibrations in air. These are whiskers. These white hairs, these are whiskers, and these whiskers can feel slightest movement in the air, so they can protect themselves, or they can search their food, as they are very sensitive. We taste with our tongue. Different part of it, if the tongue are good at picking up different taste. Yes, our tongue has some parts, and with these part we can taste different tastes like sweet, salty and bitter. These all taste can be determined by the tongue. And a really very nice fact about butterfly is a butterfly tastes with its feet. When butterflies land on flowers, they use taste buds on their feet to know if the flowers are good to eat or not. So they have their taste buds in their feet. This is a picture of catfish, and you know about catfish. Catfish have 100,000 to 175,000 taste buds present on the surface of their body. They also have whiskers that help them to sense vibrations in their surrounding. So all over the body it has taste buds. This is one animal who has taste buds all over the body, and it also has whiskers. Whiskers are helpful to sense vibrations in their surrounding. So like touch, for touch we know that touch is also our sense, and we can feel some hot and cold thing because of we can with the help of our touch. So when we touch things we can feel them. All parts of our body can feel things. The skin gives us sense of touch. Cats use the hair on their face. The long hairs on the cat's face are called whiskers. These long hairs are called whiskers on its face. Cat use their whiskers to let them know if they can fit through small openings. This is the picture of walrus, and it has also these whiskers. And this is seal. This also has whiskers, so they can feel vibrations and vibrations in their surroundings, so they can find something is, if something is irregular in their surrounding and environment, so they can feel. This is our content book, and we are going to read this, and you will also read with me. Beside their super sense of touch and taste, besides their skin, animals can also feel through their whiskers and antennas. They use them to find their way, find food, and talk to each other. The whiskers of cat can feel the slightest movement of air. Mice, catfish, and snakes are sensitive to vibrations. They can feel the slightest vibration in the air. Snakes cannot hear but can sense music through the vibration it produces in the air or on the ground. So snake cannot hear, but it can feel vibration, so it continuously move with the direction in the vibration. Crocodile have tiny receptors that sense touch below their jaw. Below their jaw they have receptors, so they receive their signal of environment if any change is there. These receptors feel any small movement from an animal in the water. They also help them sense how far away the animal is. And with these receptors, they can feel how far an animal is. Humans have about 10,000 taste buds in their mouth which help them to taste. So it is really very developed taste in our mouth that we have 10,000 taste buds. Great. Other animals have many more. Some animals like the catfish have taste buds all over their body. Wow, catfish has taste buds all over its body, so it can taste, even it can taste anything which we can't. They have 25 to 100 times more taste buds than a human tongue. Cows have around 27,000 taste buds. These help them to taste different type of grasses. Unlike other animals, butterfly taste with their feet. So unlike other animals, cow has 27,000 taste buds, quite more than other animal. So it can taste different. So in this worksheet, question number 1 is, write the name of the animal and complete the table. So you can see this animal is tiger, and unlike human, tiger can feel through their whiskers. Tiger has whiskers. Hairs present on its mouth is whisker, and it helps them to detect their prey and predator from far away. So these whiskers can feel slightest movement in the environment. Next one is snake. Snakes cannot hear, but their bodies can feel vibrations through the ground. It helps snake to locate its prey and predator. Butterfly, unlike human, butterfly taste through their legs, through their feet, because they have their taste buds on their feet, and these features help butterflies to taste the nectar as soon as it lands on the flower. And the last one is catfish. Unlike humans, catfish have taste buds all over their body. It helps them to taste their food before eating. Question number 2 is, what does a cat do with its whisker when it is scared? Why? Cats bunch up their whiskers or lay them flat against their face. This shows that they are being defensive They do this when a predator is nearby and they are scared. So these all are features of different animals, so they can survive in different habitat. And yes, these are really very helpful to detect their predator and their prey, so they can survive in a particular surrounding. These all features are helpful for them. So this is the main thing, is super sense of touch and taste are helpful to them. If they don't have, then it will be difficult to live. As here we discussed all the things, and now it's time to say bye. Thank you. We'll meet you soon in the next video.